Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome you all to Scorpio class Hindi. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I have brought complete notes of chapter Mahatma Gandhi from class 8 Karnataka. Explanation of the same chapter I have already uploaded. You can take the link from the description box. Now let us move on to the first main, which is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in one sentences. First question फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सारे देश ने गांधी जी को क्या माना? व्हाट डिड द होल कंट्री कंसीडर गांधी जी? आंसर, सारे देश ने गांधी जी को राष्ट्रपिता माना. द होल कंट्री कंसीडर्ड गांधी जी एज फादर ऑफ नेशन. राष्ट्रपिता मीन्स फादर ऑफ नेशन. देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, भारत किसके प्रयत्न से आज़ाद हुआ? By whose effort did India become independent? आंसर, भारत महात्मा गांधी के प्रयत्न से आज़ाद हुआ. India became independent by the effort of महात्मा गांधी. Then next, गांधी जी किसकी मूर्ति थे? Whose idol was गांधी जी? आंसर, गांधी जी त्याग और तपस्या की मूर्ति थे. Gandhi ji was an idol of sacrifice and penance. Then next, गांधी जी का स्वभाव कैसा था? How was Gandhi ji's nature? Answer, गांधी जी शर्मीले स्वभाव के थे. He was of a shy nature. Then next, शिक्षा विभाग के अधिकारी स्कूल क्यों आए? Why did education department officials come to school? आंसर, शिक्षा विभाग के अधिकारी स्कूल में निरीक्षण के लिए आए. सो द ऑफिशियल्स ऑफ एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट केम टू स्कूल फॉर इंस्पेक्शन. व्हाट इज इंस्पेक्शन? इन इंस्पेक्शन सम पीपल of education department, they come to see whether school is doing their work properly or not, whether teachers are teaching properly, and whatever things happens in school, everything is going properly or not. To check that, these officials come. Okay, sometimes they also do surprise visit. Okay, then next question is गांधी के भाई ने कितने रुपए कर्ज लिए थे? How much money did Gandhi ji's brother borrowed? Answer, गांधी जी के भाई ने 25 रुपये कर्ज लिए थे. His brother borrowed 25 rupees. Then next, गांधी जी ने पिता से क्या मांगी? What did गांधी जी ask from his father? Answer, गांधी जी ने पिता से सजा मांगी. He asked punishment from his father. Then next main is 2-3 वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in 2 to 3 sentences. First question is, गांधी जी पर नाटकों का क्या प्रभाव पड़ा? What was the impact of dramas on गांधी जी? Answer, गांधी जी पर नाटकों का बहुत अच्छा प्रभाव पड़ा. श्रवण पितृभक्ति पढ़कर श्रवण कुमार जैसा बनने को मन चाहा. हरिश्चंद्र नाटक पढ़कर सभी को हरिश्चंद्र जैसा सत्य बोलने वाला बनना चाहिए, ये ख्याल आया. बचपन से ही सत्य प्रेम की भावना उन्हें सत्य तपस्वी बनाया. सो द प्ले और द ड्रामा हैड अ ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट ऑन गांधी जी. हाउ? After reading Shravan Pitrubhakti, he wanted to become like Shravan Kumar. Who? Gandhi ji. And after reading Harish Chandra play, he wished everyone would be like him. From his childhood, he had a unique feeling of true love that made him successful person. Okay. Now the next question. गांधी जी की सत्य प्रियता कहाँ से शुरू हुई, कैसे? From where did Gandhi ji's love for truth begin and how? Answer, गांधी जी की सत्य प्रियता बचपन से ही शुरू हो गई थी. एक दिन स्कूल में निरीक्षण के लिए शिक्षा अधिकारी आए. बच्चों को अंग्रेजी के 5 शब्द लिखवाए, जिसमें गांधी ने एक शब्द गलत लिखा. अध्यापक ने इशारा करने पर भी गांधी ने नकल नहीं की. सबके सामने मूर्ख बनने पर भी उन्हें खुशी थी कि वे चोरी नहीं की. सी गांधी जी's लव फॉर ट्रुथ स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम हिज चाइल्डहुड, बचपन से ही शुरू हो गई थी, फ्रॉम हिज चाइल्डहुड. वन डे members of education department came to school for inspection, and they said the students to write 5 English words, out of which Gandhiji wrote one word wrong. Okay, one word he wrote wrong. In spite of getting a chance to copy, he didn't copy. Even though becoming a fool in front of all, he was happy that he did not choose the wrong path. This shows his loyalty and truthfulness from his childhood. Okay, now move on to the next question. पिता से गांधी जी के माफ़ी मांगने के प्रसंग का वर्णन कीजिए. डिस्क्राइब द इंसिडेंट ऑफ गांधी आस्किंग फॉरगिवनेस फ्रॉम हिज फादर. आंसर. अपनी गलती का एहसास होने पर गांधी अपने पिता से माफ़ी मांगना चाहा, पर हिम्मत न जुटा पाए. सारी घटना एक पत्र में लिखकर अपने पिता से सज़ा मांगी. पत्र पढ़कर पिता के आंखों में आंसू आ गए. यह देखकर गांधी समझ गए कि पिता ने माफ़ कर दिया. आगे से उन्होंने चोरी का रास्ता हमेशा के लिए छोड़ दिया. See, after realizing his mistake, Gandhiji thought to ask sorry from his father, but he could not do so. Okay, so he wrote his mistake in a letter, in a piece of paper. He wrote his mistake, that I have did so and so mistake, and asked punishment from his father, that for my mistake you punish me. I am confessing my mistake. You punish me for that. After reading the letter, father's eyes were filled with tears. Seeing the tears in his father's eyes, he was satisfied that his father has forgiven him. He also made a promise to himself that he will not do anything wrong in future. Okay? Now, the next one is Anurupta. What is Anurupta? It is a type of objective where you have to see the relation of one pair. In one pair, what is the relation? The same way you have to apply in the second pair. See here, first one, Shravan Pitra Bhakti. Pitra Bhakti is a play of Shravan Kumar. And Harishchandra was a man who always followed the path of truth. Pitra Bhakti is a play of Shravan Kumar, and following the truth is a play of Harishchandra. Then second one, Maafi Shama. What is the relation between Maafi and Shama? It is a synonym, means same meaning, different words. Maafi also means forgiveness and Shama also means forgiveness. So Dand means punishment. What is the other name of Dand? Saza. Saza also means punishment. Okay, so like that way you have to see what is the relation in the first pair, then same thing you have to apply for second pair. Then third one, Tiranga Jhanda Rashtra Dhwaj. Tiranga Jhanda means tricolor flag. It is national flag. And Gandhiji, he is father of nation, Rashtrapita. Then next, Sachai Samman. Chori Daku. If you are true, you will get respect, you will get samman. And if you are a robber, then you will do theft. Then next, Striling Shabd likhiye. You have to write feminine gender. Masculine is given, you have to change in feminine. Pita, Mata. Father, mother. Balak, Balika. Boy, girl. Purush, Stri. Male, female. Ladka, ladki. Boy, girl. Then next main is Bahuvachan Roop likhiye. Here you have to write plural form. Singular is given, you have to write plural. Murti, murtiyan. Ishara, ishare. Hijja, hijje. Galti, galtiyan. Ladka, ladke. Then next main is Vilom Shabd, opposite words. Azad, Gulam. Dharm, adharm. Satya, asatya. Jhoot, sach. Din, raat. Galat, sahi. Vishwas, avishwas. शर्म बेशरम, हिंसा अहिंसा। देन नेक्स्ट मैन इज सही शब्द पहचान कर लिखिए। हियर यू हैव टू चूज द राइट वर्ड। Options are given in your textbook. Out of that you have to select the right one, right answer and write. First is Purush. So for Purush, Admi is the right word. Buddh, Murkh. Karz, Ran. Sona, Swarna. Asu, Ashru. Admi means man, Murkh means fool, Ran means loan, Sona Swarna means gold, Asu Ashru means tears. Okay. Then next main is प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया लिखिए. See, this is a type of grammar. It is a small part of grammar. शब्द प्रथम प्रेरणार्थक, द्वितीय प्रेरणार्थक. In प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया there are two types. First is प्रथम प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया and second is द्वितीय प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया. लिखना, लिखाना, लिखवाना. करना, कराना, करवाना. बनना, बनाना, बनवाना. चुकना, चुकाना, चुकवाना. See, if you want explanation of this प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया, then you watch my grammar video where I have explained everything in detail about प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया. Link I will drop in the description box. Okay. Then next main is सही अर्थ वाले वाक्य बनाइए. Here you have to arrange the words and make proper sentence. See here, first one is महान पुरुष गांधी थे महात्मा. What you understand from this? Nothing. Why? Because words are not arranged properly. So you have to arrange the words properly so that you can get a proper meaningful sentence. So after rearranging, it will be Mahatma Gandhi Mahan Purush the. It means Mahatma Gandhi was a great man. Okay. Second one, वे नहीं कभी बोले झूठ. This is not a proper sentence. After making it proper, how it will be? वे कभी झूठ नहीं बोले. He never lied. Then next, गया माना बुद्ध को मोहन. Answer is मोहन को बुद्ध माना गया. Mohan was considered as a fool. Then next, सोची मांगने बात की से पिता माफ़ी. Answer is पिता से माफ़ी मांगने की बात सोची. Thought to ask forgiveness from father. Okay. Then next main is कन्नड़ या अंग्रेजी में अनुवाद कीजिए. Here you have to translate either in Kannada or in English. I am translating in English. You can write in Kannada also. फर्स्ट वन, वे त्याग और तपस्या की मूर्ति थे. ही वॉज द आइडल ऑफ सैक्रिफाइस एंड पिनेंस. बालक मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी शर्मीले स्वभाव के थे. द चाइल्ड मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी वॉज वेरी शाई. सच्चाई का पालन करना चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज फॉलो ट्रुथ. गांधी जी के भाई ने 25 रुपया कर्ज लिया था. Gandhiji's elder brother borrowed ₹25. गांधी जी ने हमेशा के लिए चोरी की आदत छोड़ दी. गांधी जी gave up the habit of stealing. Okay, so here I have done all the mains, question answers, objective, everything I have completed in this video. I hope you found this video useful. It was a satisfactory video. If you liked it, hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Till then, take care.